Can you eat beans and still lose weight? Did you know there's a secret component in beans for weight loss? Stay until the end and I'll tell you why you should eat beans for weight loss. For science-based and practical weight loss advice from a registered dietitian, me, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell to be notified when I post a new video every Thursday. My name is Adrian. I'm a registered dietitian with a Master's of Science in Nutrition, a certified diabetes educator, and a healthy weight loss coach. I've helped thousands of people with their healthy eating and weight loss goals over the years, and I've been awarded the 2021 Consumer Choice Award for Registered Dietitian and Weight Loss Management. Did you know that beans naturally contain a secret component for weight loss? To give you some background, when we eat food, we digest it using enzymes that our body produces. In particular, alpha amylase are enzymes that our body produces to help us digest starches like bread, rice, and carbs in beans. But beans naturally have an inhibitor for the alpha amylase enzyme. This means that it stops the alpha amylase enzyme that our body produces from working. If the enzyme doesn't work, it cannot digest and absorb the starch. In large enough doses, this can cause weight loss because our body is not absorbing the food. There are companies that take beans and extract the amylase inhibitors for this weight loss effect. These products have the name Phase 2. However, you don't need to eat products with concentrated amounts of bean extract of this alpha amylase inhibitor for weight loss. You can just eat regular whole beans and get the weight loss effects. A study from the Journal of the American College of Nutrition evaluated the diets of 1,400 adults who did and did not consume beans. It was found from the study that bean eaters had higher intakes of fiber, potassium, magnesium, and iron because beans are high in these nutrients. In addition, bean eaters were lighter in weight, had lower blood pressure, and had smaller waist sizes compared to the non-bean eaters. Since beans are high in fiber, protein, and add bulk to your food, it's great for weight loss, and it will keep you feeling full and staying full for a long time. Also, beans are a prebiotic food. This means that it provides food to keep the probiotic or the good bacteria in your gut growing. Pre and probiotics have been scientifically linked to weight loss as well. How can you use beans regularly in your diet? Swap them for meat to replace the animal protein and give you the added benefits of fiber and prebiotics. Use canned beans as an easy way to add protein to your diet by adding them as a salad topper, in quesadillas or tacos, in a soup. You can also puree the beans to give it a smoother consistency in your soup, or in curries as well. Have about 3/4 of a cup serving of beans in your meal. Or enjoy a 1/4 cup of hummus with your veggie sticks or crackers or sandwiches. For easy and delicious weight loss recipes to get you started, check out my free recipes. Go to adrianrd.com or click the link in the description below to get my recipes. Check out these other videos to get more tips and recipes on healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.